Stop right there. If your smart TV screen suddenly becomes dark, then becomes bright again automatically, without touching the remote, this video will fix that problem today. Welcome to Tech Vibes. I am speaking like a technician, standing in front of a real smart TV. I will explain why this issue happens, and how to stop it safely. This brightness issue is not a panel fault in most cases. It is caused by automatic picture control features. These features are enabled by default on smart TVs. First reason is the ambient light sensor. Some brands call it eco sensor or light sensor. It detects the room lighting conditions. The TV lowers brightness in a dark room. The TV increases brightness in bright light. Go to Settings and open Picture Options. Enter Advanced Picture Settings. Find Ambient Light or Eco Sensor. Turn this feature off completely. Second reason is Eco Mode or Power Saving. This mode reduces brightness to save electricity. Go to Settings and open General. Find Eco Solution or Power Saving. Set it to Off. Third reason is Dynamic Contrast. It changes brightness scene by scene. Disable Dynamic Contrast or Adaptive Brightness. Fourth reason is Dolby Vision IQ. This feature adjusts brightness automatically. Select Dolby Vision Dark Mode or disable Dolby Vision IQ. Fifth reason is local dimming set too high. High local dimming causes brightness pumping. Set local dimming to medium or standard. Sixth reason is outdated TV software. Software bugs cause brightness instability. Update the TV software using stable Wi-Fi. After changing all settings, restart the TV properly. Unplug the power cable for 2 minutes. Then turn the TV on again. If brightness still changes automatically, only then consider hardware inspection. It could be a backlight driver issue, or inverter or mainboard problem. This method is safe and technician approved. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for real TV fixes.